Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a high converting opt-in page for your freebies. If you want to learn more about tech, click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the new tech tutorials which are coming out in the future. So there are basically 3 rules which you should consider when creating a freebie landing page. Opt-in page, squeeze page, these are all the same things. So basically we're offering a free resource for somebody to opt in return to receive the email address and or the phone number. I would always recommend to collect both, and I will tell you at the end of this video why. So secret number 1 is to always have only one call to action. You want to make sure that there's only one call to action, which is either join and download the PDF or watch the video or leave. Remember, your goal is to collect the data so that you can remarket to them over and over and over again. And the last thing you want is a confused person. If you give people several options to choose from on what to do, which button to click, what link to click, and so on, people will not take an action. People will feel overwhelmed really quickly. Versus if they only have to make one decision, which is download the freebie or leave, it's easy for them. This way also you repel the wrong people, because if people land on your squeeze page and if people actually not interested in the resource, they will just leave, which is a good thing because you don't want to have the wrong audience on your email list. Rule number 2, do not have any hyperlinks linked back to your reviews or to your website or to your calendar link or whatever it is. It ties into point 1 and you really don't want to distract the visitor from doing something else apart from opting into your freebie. And rule number 3, the button needs to be above the fold, or the opt-in form needs to be visible above the fold. What does that mean? You don't want to make people scroll down in order to take that action. The action needs to be above the fold, which means the upper area of the page, so people don't need to scroll. If you look at one of these examples from our freebies, one of our very popular freebies is a template that helps people to create a course or coaching program outline. And here you can see it's a very simple, there's not too much information, it's very straightforward what it is. There's an attention-grabbing headline, there are 3 bullet points, what is in it for them, why should they download the template. There's a beautiful picture of the template which blurs out the details, and at the bottom you can see a little reviews section, so credibility basically, social proof, why should they do this. You can also add your publication logos on there if you have some. So this structure of this landing page is basically based on the AIDA framework, which is a framework in copywriting, which stands for A for attention-grabbing headline, I for interest bullet points, D for desired story, which could also mean the social proof, and A, the action button. By the way, if you want us to build your funnel for free, click that link in the description and sign up for a free trial on Coach Marketing Hub, which is the all-in-one platform that replaces all the different subscriptions out there you are currently paying for and reduces it down to only one subscription. So as one of our freebies, we offer free funnel building service, and that's what you could benefit from as well. Here are also some other examples of pictures which I've created in Canva really quickly. Don't overcomplicate this, don't stress about it too much, because progress over perfection always. And this took me a few minutes to create on Canva. You can just go on Canva and type in booklet or template, things like that, and then create your little PDF picture in Canva really quickly. Why do you want to do that? Because typically it's a digital download. May this be a PDF or a video, what people are getting in return for the email address, right? So you want to make it sort of like tangible. You want to show them what's behind the next page. What is it that they're getting, so they have some sort of like idea what it is they're signing up for. Also, let's talk about the backend real quick. So a squeeze page consists of typically 2 pages. You could have an upsell and make it 3 pages. So that's the backend, that's what it looks like. Here is the landing page, which is this one on the left is the landing page, and this one, the second page, is basically the thank you page where people land after they've opted into your freebie. So that's basically the landing page. If you click this button, there is a pop-up opt-in form which says, please tell me your full name, please tell me your email address and your phone number. Then the people need to confirm that they want to receive marketing material from you, and then hit download now. Once you hit download, you'll be landing on this page, which in this case is an invitation to watch your masterclass for free. You can also make this an upsell. If you're running ads to your freebie, you could, for example, charge $7 or $17, something like that, for a cheat sheet, for a mini course, and so on, in order to cover your ad spend or whatever your mission from your strategy is right now. So it's really important that you're really clear on the strategy that you're running right now, so so you can decide effectively what are you going to put onto that thank you page. Because 100% of the people who opt in to your squeeze page are going to land on a thank you page. So be really smart about this. Think it through. What are you going to put onto this page? Another thing I want to point out before we talk a little bit more about the copy, what you should put on the actual squeeze page is make sure the opt-in page is also mobile friendly and that the button is also above the fold within that mobile section. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about what you should put in your headline. So attention grabbing headline from the AIDA framework, remember. So think about what is a really catchy headline for your audience. What would make them go, I want this? A basic framework for this is how to end result without objection, even if obstacle, so you can desire. Okay, so now the only thing you need to do is fill in the blanks. For example, for us it is craft your program curriculum correctly right from the start in under 30 minutes so your students will actually get results without you trying to guess what content to include, wasting months. So we know exactly our audience has this problem. They have no idea what kind of content to put into their courses or coaching programs so that their students can achieve the end results. People are struggling with this and people waste months and months and months overthinking it. So this template teaches them how to do it in under 30 minutes.
Nice.
Which makes them go like, under 30 minutes? I thought I need 3-4 months for this, right? And that's attention grabbing. That helps them to go, stop. This sounds like something very interesting. Also, you can create curiosity and say something like, this weird method that allowed me to do X. Or the 3 things that allowed me to do X, the 3 secrets that allowed me to do X, the launch strategy that allowed me to generate $50,000 organically without spending a dime on ads in just 6 weeks. That's another one we have, really popular freebie. Or how to gain 100 leads per week without spending money on ads, even as a bloody beginner. Things like that, you get my point. So that's the attention grabbing headline. Now let's talk about the interest bullets. Very simple, very similar to the first framework as well. Just list 3 things. What is in it for them if they download this particular lead magnet right now? For example, a simple strategy for action without block. Make sure you describe benefits, desires, and roadblocks of the offer. For example, how to result without objection. One of our popular ones is how to find your profitable course idea in 1 hour or less without wasting months of creating a product nobody wants to buy. Think about 3 interest bullets and put them on your squeeze page right now. D, desired story. This can be your own success story. This can be social proof, testimonials from other people who've achieved results in your industry or from going through your coaching program or course, and just display them at the bottom of the squeeze page so that people see, okay, other people have done this too. It's the same concept as if you go to a restaurant, right? You want to go out at night with your spouse to have dinner and you don't really know which restaurant to go to. You want to go to restaurant A or to restaurant B. So you drive out with your car, you look around, which one should we go to? The one restaurant is empty and in the other restaurant there's people inside. Which one do you go to? Of course, the one with people inside. And that's the same concept you're using here on this squeeze page. And then easy, the last point, action button. This can be join now, reserve your seat now, get instant access, download instantly, watch now, things like that. And that's already it, ladies and gentlemen. Really, really simple. Keep it clean, keep the call to action above the fold, implement the AIDA framework, put some social proof in it, create a catchy headline, put your interest bullets and a beautiful picture and you're good to go. And again, if you want us to create your freebie funnel, take over all the tech for you, click that link in the description below, get your free trial on Coach Marketing Hub, and we set up that funnel for you for free. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned with the next tech videos which are coming out in the future. YouTube wants you to watch this video as they think it's best for you right now.